Get on your hands and knees. Try not to let go of your mouth, or else it's going to be on
Hands and
toboggan
knees.
of shame.
I said hands and knees, Eddie. You're not listening.
All right.
Hands and knees.
Like this? That's how you do it?
No, on
He said hands and knees.
Hands and knees.
See, you people are not listening.
Oh.
There's a what?
Show that baby's on.
This thing's covering it up, but it's not going to be that great.
Put it sideways. He'll get you.
I'll figure it out. You might see me
Right,
skipping.
whoever finishes last has to buy dinner.
Wow, he heard me. He heard
That's
me.
exactly what he said.
Alright, we're on the same page here. Arm and fence life flat on your tummies.
How do we want Joe? Eric, go down, I guess.
Keep your hands on the handles. On your mark. Get set. Go!
They should have said, keep your mouth shut. Oh, I swallowed a lot of water.
Walk, please. Thank you.
I did not take that.
What'd you guys think?